for this, but not this, because if it's identical, you get into fight again. Okay, now here, step away. No, step away. Okay, but don't step away, only step away. Okay? You see, watch here. The center has to be there. Step away, step in. Step away, I'm here, don't move here. So Josh, go behind. Go behind here. Don't turn, stay here. Touch here. Touch here. This is going to be very difficult to Josh, because once he touches, Josh's hands cannot be independent. He wants to follow. Your point of reference, you don't move, okay? When you step, this cannot move. That's good. You see how crooked? Then stay in that position, relax. It's still gone, but much better. If you step away like this, there's no training. But can you see step away, step away? Now you understand? Once you step away here, there's range. So now make this whole arm straight. No, just a normal position. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Straight, strong. Now, this, I do the move, there's difficulty level. Can you see? There's nothing. There's nothing, right? So what I do is, you see what's happening to me? I must do that to him. So I don't move, I do the rotation. See, this locks him here, I do the rotation. You see, now Josh, come and help hold him here. The other hand. And here. So that he's strong. Move here. No, not you. Move here. So right now you are diagonal, you are going to hurt. Open long. That's it. Open that hand. It's just maintain that stick. Now this is a small part of a long stick. Go. That's it. Stay there. Okay? Laura, go hold the fist. Two hands hold it. Okay, pull it. That's it. That's it. Don't really pull. Don't pull, but not change the shape. Yeah. So now can you see it's extremely strong. So make this straight. Just open longer. That's strength. When you tighten, you have no strength. Strength is to maintain shape, not to change shape. We always think of strength as muscling up and change shape. The shape stays. Can you see here? Now on this, you see here, I don't move, only rotate. Can you see this is move? Look at my head. Shoulders and hand moved. Don't move. You feel that. You feel that. That's the training. Until, can you see, until it's here already, more, until correct move. Adding here, go lower, longer. That's it. Don't move, okay? Can you see it's here? Now it's on your shoulder. It's on the other shoulder until it's on that hand. Can you see? It has to go through. Don't try this at home.